open house this Sunday or not? Hi, this is Robyn Burdett with Robyn Burdett Real Estate Group. And this is a common question I have from almost every seller I talk to. Are we having an open house this Sunday? And even Saturday now. We have a lot of times that Saturday we're having open houses. So the question is, does it work? Statistically speaking, after years and years and years of studying this, National Association of Realtors said less than 5% of the houses sell off the open. So given that fact, is holding one every weekend the right place for you to be? Is it drawing the buyers every weekend to your house? My experience is no. The first weekend it does. And that's the critical weekend because you only get one chance to go boom. And you have all the marketing, everything happening that weekend. And there's a lot of agents that, to be honest, they tell their buyers, go to open house. If you like it, give me a call. So holding an open house that first weekend is critical. For myself, we've already started doing your Facebook advertising. We have your Zillow coming soon. We have everything set up so that by the time that open house happens on Sunday, usually like a 1 to 3, I've had anywhere from 10 to 70 plus parties, not people, groups of people through that first open house. Numerous times they go off, they find their agent and they write an offer. Did the open sell the house or did all my marketing sell the house? Did having it on the very first weekend so that you had agents and buyers that may never have looked in your area all of a sudden go, ooh, that's a pretty home, maybe we should go look, and they buy it? Yes, it does. So when you're sitting there thinking, should you have an open Sunday or Saturday, think yes for the first time. And then maybe if you do a price reduction, which in this market, you shouldn't be having to do that. But if you do a price reduction, that's another time because you're reintroducing the property to the public. So, open house this Sunday? Yes, every time. First Sunday of every listing. I hope you're having a great day. And if I could be of any help to you or you have any other questions about all my marketing, please don't hesitate to give me a call or click below and let me know how I can help. Have a great day.